you receive your new machine Gevi Espresso-Machinery, and now I show the main part of the machine. Coffee machine. The movable part is fixed with a sticker, so we need to remove all the stickers. The drip tray is a removable drip tray. Cover. Then the tank, also remove all the stickers. From the tank, need to remove the valve rotation. Inside the tank, there are a bag with the spoon. The handle with the filter, need to check the filter move free, and then from the plug, remove the plug protection. Before start to brew a coffee, is important, like a first time use, to clean the full machine. So the first operation is fill the tank with clean water, not over the max level line. After put the water, we put the water tank with vertical position, fix well inside the valve. Then plug the machine and switch on. When switch on the machine, the light on the left that corresponding to make espresso slowly flash, means the machine is in the warm situation. When become ready, the light is fixed. Near we find another light that switch on in the moment that we rotate the knob for brew coffee. On the right side we find a corresponding light, but is for the milk frothing. The same, this one flashes slowly when warm up and then fix color when is ready. And near we have another light that when we rotate the knob in steam position, switch on. Now we wait, the machine become ready and the light fix. The handle have two main parts. The handle and the filter. To assembly, need to check that this point match with this tip, and then need to free rotate. Then we assemble the handle in the machine in a flat position, slowly rotate to arrive in the lock position. Now the machine is ready, is hot, so the light is switched on and fixed. We put 1 cup down, and then we brew some water for internal cleaning. Rotate the knob in the coffee position. The machine starts to brew. If the first time we have some noisy, it's not a problem. It's only because the boiler don't have water inside. So the pump have some vibration in the moment that the boiler is empty. When it becomes full of water and the water starts to brew, the noisy become less. We left brew a full cup of water, so we are cleaning very well all the part. When we already brew around 1 cup, we turn again the knob in middle position, remove carefully the cup because it's hot water, and then also remove slowly the handle because there is some residual water inside, because no coffee, so we have some residual water inside. If there are some water in the drip tray after wash, we can remove the stainless steel cup support, remove the drip tray and throw the water inside. The second step of the cleaning is about the steam pipe. So we push the bottom corresponding to milk frothing. The light slowly flash, means the machine is warming up. We need to wait that the light become fixing. The light is fixed, means the machine is ready for the milk frothing function. The temperature is correct for produce steam for milk frothing. So we move the steam pipe in a position correct to put one cup down. Then we rotate the knob on the right in the steam position, and we left some water and steam drop out from the pipe. We left the steam for some seconds, 30 seconds is okay, for the hot steam with all the pipe inside. After this, we rotate again in the middle position, through the water in the cup, and the machine is full clean, and we can proceed with brew our first coffee.